So now we're going to use what we know about the a, h, and k values to describe what's happening to a parabola when we're just given the equation. So we're going to be able to describe in words the shape of a parabola and the location of a parabola in words just using the equation. So first thing that we always want to do is we always want to identify first and foremost what are the a, h, k values of a given parabola. So that's the first thing that I would like for you always to write out, is the AHK values. So in example A, the A value is actually positive 1, the H value is positive 5, and the K value is 0. So because the A value is positive, it opens up. Is it stretched, squeezed, or no change? Well, because the A value is 1, that means that there's no change to this particular parabola. And is there a horizontal translation? Well, yes, because the h value is positive 5. That means that it moves to the right by 5 units. So it goes right 5 units. Okay. Let's take a look at B here. Again, identify the A, H, K unit or values. So the A value is negative 2, the H value is negative 3, and the K value is 0. Okay, again, always remember that the H value is the opposite of what it shows up in the equation. So because the A value is negative, that means that this parabola opens down. Because the value of A is 2, albeit negative, that means that it's stretched. So it's actually going to be made thinner and taller, or thinner and taller in the sense that it's flipped downward. And is there a horizontal translation? Yes, because it's moved, the H value is negative 3. That means that it's being moved left by 3 units. Okay, so let's continue on. Let's take a look here at example C. So again, we got to identify the AHK values. So A, H, and K. So the A value is negative 0.95. The H value is 0. There's nothing inside the bracket next to the X. Okay, and so therefore we know that the A value is negative, so it opens down. The value of A is between 0 and 1. It's 0.95, so that means that it's actually squeezed or compressed. It has no horizontal translation, so nil. It's not changed at all. If we look at D, again, identify the A, H, and K values. A is positive 2, H is positive 7, K is 0. Okay, so because the A value is positive, it opens up. Because the A value is 2, it's bigger than 1, so it's stretched. And there is a horizontal translation, so it moves to the right. So we look at the H value. H value is positive 7, so it moves right 7. Okay. If we look at example E, again, the A value is actually negative 1. The K value is negative 3. Sorry, the H value is negative 3. And the K value is 0. So A is negative, so it opens down. It's 1, so there's no change to the shape of the parabola. And horizontal translation moves left 3. Okay, and then finally for F, the A value is positive 0.75. The H value is positive 2. And the K value is 0. There's nothing given to us. So because the A value is positive, it opens up. Because the A value is between 0 and 1, that means that it's squeezed or compressed. And the horizontal translation, since the H value is positive 2, that means that it moves to the right by 2 units.